How to disable Microsoft Teams on startup. The very first thing you want to do is to open Microsoft Teams. Once you open it, this interface will pop up. At the bottom, you will get to see it says Open Teams on Startup. All you want to do is uncheck this option. Once it has been done, go back to your home page. Now do the right click on the screen and then move into Task Manager. It will open up this page. Now what you want to do is scroll all the way down and you have to search for Microsoft Teams. You will see two different Microsoft Teams. The status of both of this should be disabled. In order to disable, first of all do the right click and then click on Disable. Once you click on Disable, it will be disabled successfully. After this, what you want to do is you simply have to restart your device. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can disable Microsoft Teams on startup. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.